Hello kids, welcome to Shots Up, where learning is fun. Let's learn about farm animals. First animal is cow, C-O-W, cow. Cow do sound moo. Next animal is sheep. Sheep make sound ba ba. Next animal is goose. Goose make sound cluck cluck. Next animal is horse. Horse make sounds mee. Next animal is chicken. Chicken make sounds cluck cluck. Next animal is goat. Goat makes the sound ba. Next animal is pig. Pig makes the sound oink oink. Next animal is donkey. Donkey makes the sound bray. Next animal is duck. Duck makes the sound quack quack. Next animal is rabbit. Rabbit makes the sound squeak. Thank you. Thank you kids for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.